Hi everyone, it's Shannon Codes and I'm back, and today we're going to be taking a look at a previous project. We're going to be taking a look at the Hackerbox 57 safe mode hardware badge. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check the link in my description. You'll take that video. But basically I just went ahead and actually built it. It came as a kit and I had to completely solder it and assemble everything. And now that we've done that, this video is going to be me taking a look in what you can really do with it. So this is an ESP32 based development board, so it has a lot of flexibility, but they've gone ahead and created quite a few sketches or programs to run on it. So I'm just going to try some of those. This video will not be me programming it myself and doing something, but maybe in a future video. So I haven't actually powered this up since I built it weeks ago, so I have no idea if it actually works. So now that we're on camera, we'll go ahead and plug it up, see if it works. And we got a blue flashing light. Ah, cool. We got some display going on, TT Go, and it's just flashing some colors. Okay, so I went ahead and took a look at the instructions for this development board, and it says that when you boot it up, there will be this test display by default. So it's just going to test some of the colors and cycle through them. So that means that everything should be working a-okay. Now that we know that's going on, I'm going to try to get my Arduino IDE set up so that way I can go ahead and upload some of the pre-made sketches to this board. So now I'm going to do that. All right, y'all. So I've gone through all the setup like I'm supposed to for this TTGo library, and now I'm going to upload the program. It's a color test program, so I'm going to try uploading that first. So here we go. It says compiling sketch. Awesome, cool. So everything uploaded. So now we get some, so now this is just like a diagnostic program. So it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but it's just going through examples of inverting the screen, different colors of text. It's really hard to see the white text, but it's just saying invert off, white text, red text, green text. So same thing, but just the inversion is turned off apparently. So cool. So yeah, that seems pretty cool. It's actually a really good resolution display for it to be so small. Let's do another example. And now, so this is kind of cool. This is just an example in their library. This is Pong. On an ESP screen. It's pretty cool. It's not really for this like resolution of screen, but that's really cool. It's just like a little Pong game that's playing itself just like a Pong sprite. So that's really cool. And yeah, I'm glad you all can actually see that on camera. That's kind of cool. All right, now let's actually put a real example from the Hackerbox official tutorial on here. All right, first example from their official guide is a buzzer tester. So I'm going to upload it. And we'll see if our buzzer that we soldered on actually works. So see that compiles. It's compiling, connected to the device, flashing, and cool. Can you all hear it? Yeah. I really hope that that was able to be picked up, but that's really cool. So it's a little buzzer demo. If you all know what that's from, comment down in the description. Let's test the joystick next. So now I'm flashing on the joystick code. So now I'm flashing on the joystick code, and this should allow me to, this should display on the screen exactly which buttons we're pressing and the joystick actions and input from that. So hopefully when that flashes here in just a second, we can see that. And seems like it's on. Let's see. All right, cool. So yeah, so as I move the joystick, so it's kind of hard to see, but as I move the joystick, you can see which input I'm doing. So up shows that joystick is pressed up. Left. Right doesn't seem to be working. That's interesting. So left, up. See, down, down. Right is not working. I wonder what's going on there. Maybe there's just not enough solder on a pin somewhere. So I might have to check that, but you can also see the buttons. So I'm pressing the B button and I'm pressing the A button. All right, cool. So that's really cool. Oh, and you can do multiple, so it does allow like multiple inputs. That's really cool. I can see you like, that'd be really cool if we can make it so it actually does play Pong. I'm sure somebody's already actually made the sketch for you to be able to play Pong on this particular hacker badge. But yeah, that'd be really cool to see. So I might have to try that. All right, cool. All right, so the last little sketch example I'm just gonna look at really quickly is the MetaBlot test. So this is supposed to be a pretty high resolution IPS display, like relative to its size. I think it's like 235 by like 160 or something like that. Don't quote me on that. But one thing that's really cool is we could do like a MetaBlot test on it. So if you don't know what a MetaBlot test is, I'm gonna link it down in the description down below because I am not qualified to speak about MetaBlots, but all you need to know is that they look really cool. And if I've already flashed it, so if I cut it on, it should come right up. All right, sweet. Oh wow, that looks so cool and it's so detailed. Now I know it's not gonna really show on camera, so you see how I can tilt it and you can sort of see the additional detail inside of there. In person, it's so much better, but so I'm sorry you all can't see that, but that's really cool. There are other really cool examples for this badge, but they're using the like AV, the AV ports that come on this board. And unfortunately, I don't have a way of really recording that to show you all, but there have been people that have done all sorts of really cool things with it. I've seen people turn it into full-fledged game consoles. There's even an actual project that exists that streams Netflix video content to an ESP screen, if you can believe it. Like, imagine watching your blockbuster Netflix original on this small screen. It's possible, somebody has programmed it, and maybe we'll take a look at that in a future video. But so for this video, I just wanted to go through and, well, one, make sure that my badge actually worked. I hadn't tested it until just now. And two, now that I have tested it, I can think about ideas for a future video in which I might actually write some programs for this myself. So if there is something you all want to see me run on this, please do leave it down in the comments section below. I'll be looking at it. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up. If you really like the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe and watch the other videos. And yeah, I will see you all next time. See ya.